It is August 21st on a Monday, and the sun is really bright. They are talking the eclipse, something about eclipse. Shouldn't look at the sun because it can burn your eyes. Yeah, and this morning, guys, we've got a lot of things to do today. I got people coming in for phone repair, and then we got a project we got to start. Got to get payroll in. Yeah. All right, guys, we had our morning rush. Phones were in, people were in. Had to get payroll in. So right now, Michael is unloading the, man, that is bright. Unloading the dump truck so we can load up some dirt to take to the customer this morning. He wants some black dirt, 2 loads. That sun is bright, guys. They're talking about an eclipse where the moon goes over the sun and it's going to be dark for a little bit. We are here. We're going to take all that out. We're taking all the shrubs out. Yeah, getting all that shrub, and then we're going to edge this. Alright, guys, we got all the shrubs out, and we're gonna pull the plastic out next. Not bad, huh? Pull all that out.
Yeah.
Let's get the plastic right on top, and then we'll go throw the plastic at the shop, and then dump this. Oh shit! Guys, we are pulling all the edgings out. It's supposed to be supposed to get dark at around 1 o'clock from the eclipse. Alright, Michael, I gotta take the skid back down because we gotta lift the pallets too. Yeah. So I'll take the skid back down. I'll meet you down at the shop. I gotta take the skid loader back down. I mean, we're not far from this job site, so it doesn't hurt to drive back and forth. we are out here at the dump, and hopefully the rain holds off because it looks like it's clouding up now.
Do we still take this off then? Or?
Nope. Yeah, that stays on. So then we're gonna go back and get the material and then head back up to our location. We're gonna do some planting in there. Customer wanted to reuse the rocks. Like right there, we'll backfill that so none of the blocks is showing. We gotta build a small wall right there. And then, like I said, we're gonna put plants in. And then once we get the plants in, then we'll bring in some more river rock and give it a little fresh coat so it looks fresh and new. So sometimes the customer wants to reuse the rocks, and that's fine with them, and we do that. So we're gonna take lunch, guys. It might rain while we're on lunch. Yeah, guys, I'm just hoping we get rained out. If we do, Michael's gonna sharpen the blades and get the blades ready on the mower. So, yeah. Alright guys, I am down here at the shop now. I'm gonna unload the bullet edgers, and look at behind me, guys. It is gonna rain. Starting to sprinkle, so I'm gonna just bring out the Bobcat mowers and get Michael to sharpen them blades. Alright guys, it is pouring, and I just went to pick up bulbs for the shop, LED bulbs, so get some light in here. Alright guys, I bought some LED lights, and work?
The gun's
too long, too tall, okay, shoot. Okay, and we needed some light in here, so look at the difference from the LED and our regular lights. So I'm going to change them all out and put those ones on. Look at the difference. And this is what they are. LED, 100 watts. They're like $12 a pack. Now it's starting to look like a shop. Hey guys. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Man, that is bright. Jeez, I should have done that long time ago. Look at that. Man, it is pouring out, guys. Yeah.
I was watching the news and they
This,
say even if it's forecasted with cloudy,
yeah.
that still looking at the sun can still make you go blind.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright guys, Michael is doing maintenance in the shop and Kenna is making up some more hats, daily hustle hats, guys. We got the Flex Fit. How's it going?
Good.
Oh yeah, that works. Yeah. So, yeah. Right there. So while Kenna is making up them hats, I'm gonna go look at our new blower, and I need to get a mower jack also. Yeah, for the mower. Because right now we're just using the ramp and it's not very efficient. So.